Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check the boat battery voltage and the wireless charger input so you match 12V versus 24V systems. Mount the charger on a dry, ventilated surface and leave about 1/2-inch clearance to prevent heat buildup. Now turn off accessory power. This avoids sparks while you wire. Once done, route the power cable to the battery area through a protected grommet, and make sure you have the right fuse and wiring gauge to handle the load safely. Next, wire the charger using the correct gauge and place an inline fuse within 12 inches of the battery. This protects the system and meets safety best practices. You then position the transmitter pad under the chosen phone mount, testing small offsets of 1 to 2 centimeters because alignment affects charging efficiency. After confirming position, secure all electrical connections with marine-grade sealant and ensure a solid ground. Make sure to tuck and clamp cables to avoid chafe from vibration. Finally, test the system by placing your phone on the mount and watching LED indicators. You should see the charge percentage rise within 5 to 10 minutes if alignment and voltage are correct. If it does not charge, recheck pad alignment first, then the fuse, ground connection, and measure voltage at the pad. Those are the usual failure points. Make sure to keep the pad covered when not in use and replace any cracked components. A quick troubleshooting check will get you back to powering devices safely on the water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.